BJP leader Vijendra Gupta has spoken on the Sheesh Mahal issue, stating that he has demanded that the properties merged in the Sheesh Mahal should be disintegrated. 10 properties for the officials of Delhi government were merged. Listen in.
कर मैंने मांग की है कि जो प्रॉपर्टी शीश महल में मर्ज कर ली गई थी उनको रीमर्ज किया जाए, अलग किया जाए, क्योंकि 10 संपत्तियां ऐसी हैं दिल्ली सरकार की जिसमें अधिकारी और बाकी लोग उनके निवास के लिए थी, लेकिन केजरीवाल जी ने 6 फ्लैग स्टाफ रोड को जो 10,000 गज का था उसको 50,000 गज का बनाने के लिए 45 और 47 ये जो राजपुर रोड पर और दूसरा 8A 8B ये फ्लैग स्टाफ रोड के बंगलो और 8 टाइप 5 फ्लैट्स जो 45 और 47 राजपुर रोड पर थे उनको इसमें मर्ज कर लिया था। लगभग 50,000 गज का इसको बना लिया था पूरी प्रॉपर्टी को। हमने उपराज्यपाल साहब से मांग की है कि इसको रीमर्ज किया जाए, वापस इनको तमाम प्रॉपर्टी जो उसमें मिलाई गई थी उनको दोबारा से रेस्टोर किया जाए।
All right, Mehendi on the telecast with me. Mehendi, of course, conversations continue over the Sheesh Mahal. Of course, the BJP leader Vijendra Gupta has now slammed the Sheesh Mahal. He said that the properties that were integrated in order to construct the Sheesh Mahal should now be disintegrated. Take our viewers to the details, please.
Well, indeed, Savri, now the politics have erupted over the alleged Sheesh Mahal right now, and on that issue only BJP leader and who has been, newly appointed MLA from Rohini once again, Vijendra Gupta, has also said that he has demanded that the properties merged in the Sheesh Mahal should be disintegrated, and not only this, he also asked that the 10 properties for the officials of the Delhi government were merged, and Kejriwal turned it into a property of 50,000 gaj from 10,000 gaj. So these are the allegations that have been put by Vijendra Gupta, Savri, and not only this, he has also demanded that LG should disintegrate these properties as well. And yesterday, also Savri, Vijendra Gupta has wrote a letter to LG demanding all these, demands that LG should disintegrate these properties as well. And also regarding, this issue of after that, today's the meeting that Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal is going to do on that. Also, Vijendra Gupta has taken a drive at Arvind Kejriwal, saying that Kejriwal is now doing a meeting, but it is a sinking ship now, and Aam Aadmi Party is trying to keep their people together, but it will not last for very long.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.